This is a flyback transformer. It came out of a big TV, I guess. It's rear projector screen TV or whatever they're called. This is my 555 driver along with the 12-volt transformer, smoothing capacitors, and bridge rectifier to power the 555. And there's also an IRF P460 in there to beef up the output. I have two power supplies running it. One is a 20-volt 0.8 amp laptop power supply. The other one is a 12-volt 0.8 amp power supply. There's two windings on the flyback. One produces higher current but lower voltage, and the other one produces higher lower current but higher voltage. So right now it's on the higher voltage. I'm going to start out with just one power supply. This is actually purple, even though it appears blue, and it's quite hot. Not really hot, but pretty hot. Now I'm going to turn on the 12-volt power supply. Now I'm going to switch to the other winding with the higher current. First I have to adjust it for the higher current. The sparks are small, but it's really high current. Let me switch on the 12-volt power supply. I can actually feel the heat from here on my hand. Let me adjust it some more. Let's switch it back to the high voltage, or the higher voltage winding. This is with just 20 volts. 24 volts, my bad. Oops, I think I killed one of my power supplies. There we go. Oh, the flyback's pretty warm, but and all this is about 36 volts, and that's when it's pulling no current, so it's probably about 30 volts. And I've ran this on 50 volts, and this flyback's had quite a bit of abuse. And now that I found this other one that gives higher current, it's had even more abuse. Sometimes it heats up pretty bad, but I keep running it, and it's never given up on me yet, so I like that one. I've also got this one, which is pretty big, and I got a whole drawer full of them. I've been taking apart a lot of TVs and monitors. Let's see about the MOSFET. See if it's warm. Well, I'm sure it is, but let's see if it's hot. It's actually cold. I've got a fan sucking air through it, but I figured it'd be pretty warm. Well, that's it. Oh yeah, this is a 20 volt supply. It's pretty warm, but it'll be alright. It's 24 volts, my bad, at 0.8 amps. And this is my 12 volt supply. It's 12 volts at 0.8 amps. It's just a little power pack. It's kind of warm. And the 24 volt power supply is smoothed and regulated, but the 12 volt power supply is only rectified. So I'll put a smoothing capacitor, two of them together. One of them is 25 microfarads and the other one is 75 microfarads for about 100 microfarads in all.